Hello friends, in this tutorial I will be explaining what is the difference between programming languages and scripting languages. So first let's see programming languages. C, C++ and Java are programming languages, and Python, Perl, Shell are scripting languages. So generally among college students and experienced people also, they are always confused in this whether to say language is scripting language or programming language. So generally we can say for each and every language that is a programming language. That is not wrong actually, but generally C, C++ and Java are programming languages because first we compile them and then we create executable, and then we finally execute the binary file. So in Windows we have seen .exe file, so that is executable. So we download from somewhere and then execute it, so we can't see the source code. So that is one advantage in this. So first we compile the C program, create the executable, and then transfer it to running system. So in this way we are not exposing the source code to others. And in scripting languages we have to execute it directly, so we have to transfer the source code to the running system, and this code is exposed to other developers who have access to the system. So generally programming languages we compile it and then we create the executable. And in context of web processing server side, we classify languages into two part, like server side and client side. Server sides are PHP servlets, and client sides are JSP, Java scripting. So what is server side programming? Whenever we click on any link on Facebook, so it makes a request to the server, and on the server generally PHP code runs, and it retrieves the data from the database and it displays in the browser. So in the browser, client side script will be running, and they will help in rendering image and other graphical user interface. Again, programming languages can be classified into procedural languages and object oriented. Oops. So generally we see OOPS means object oriented programming languages. So basically there is a concept of class and then object. So here in any Java or C++ we create the class, and then for that class we create the object, and then we take the help of that object to call the function or call the or retrieve the value of the data member. And procedural language we can see C or PHP also. So in that we don't have any class. So let's execute some of the scripting languages first. So in this we can see this script. This is a function, and we are calling this function from here. So if I'll execute this, so generally I'm getting the files in this directory, home directory, and I'm printing that. So there is no need, we can't compile this, we have to directly execute this, and source code is visible to us. See, now let's execute C program, test.c. So we use GCC compiler, and this we are storing in this test executable. So after that I can remove this test.c so that others can't see. I can save this in my pen drive, and I can escape. So let's execute test. So we can see 30 here, that is I am adding two numbers A and B, so I can see 30. Again I can execute a Java fib.java. So I got the class file fib.class, and then I can execute it. So I got the Fibonacci numbers. So in this way we can see the scripting language we can directly execute, and programming language we can create the binary and then execute. So hope you like the video, subscribe it, and do comment for the further videos. Thanks.